So welcome to step 5, the final step in our WordPress setup training series. After this step, it's time to move into the EBM Content Creation Masterclass. So let's get her done. Before I get too deep into WordPress themes, I wanted to show you this while it's still fresh on the internet. You can see that while hiding private results, when the term eBusiness Masterclass is searched on in google.com, that this website is right there at the top, even though the website is only 3 days old and it has nothing on it. So is it important to follow the steps in this tutorial? Yes, it is. Each and every step in the eBusiness Masterclass WordPress training series is there for a reason. On a side note, my genius son Jesse has our video hosting website up, and it's looking like eventually it's going to be available to members. At this point in time, videos set to private on video hosting sites are very hard to make available for customers. Even private YouTube videos have to be accessed by the video owner adding customers to their videos, one email address at a time. We plan on making things much easier for people online. Anyway, now let's get back to the final chapter in setting up a traffic-grabbing website from scratch. Alright, let's take a look at a few WordPress themes, both premium and free. I built the first page traffic website on Genesis framework using the metric theme. This is a very versatile theme that can have many different looks, and with it being built using Genesis, the search engines just love it. All of these Genesis themes are mobile friendly, by the way. And notice right there that if someone happens along this blog, they see straight away that it's about search engine optimization and that there's a free toolkit for people to walk away with. What this does is encourage them to click from the home page of this website and go to a page within this website, and this is good as what's known for bounce rate. It also encourages people to subscribe to my list. The first page traffic blog was also built with the Genesis framework and the metric theme, although this time I chose to have a blog style look home page. And you'll notice where most of the website visitors are coming from. Google, of course. Along with Yahoo and Bing. I built the Jarvis marketing website with the agency theme, again on Genesis framework. You'll notice once again that the home page of this website lets people know exactly what the website is all about. I built What's Happening Frontenac, this time on the Agency Pro theme. Agency Pro is an updated version of the original theme, and although they are similar, they do have their differences. This website was built to work with businesses in my local area and to keep local people informed on what's happening in our area, something like a local news website. I'm considering using the Executive Pro theme for the eBusiness Masterclass website. I'm not quite sure yet. This too is a very professional theme, and notice that it has a call to action area right in the center. This is another look that the executive theme could take on, and this one I do like, even if it is owned by a lawyer. Well, that's it for premium WordPress themes. Now let's take a look at using free WordPress themes. One way to find free to use themes is go to google.com and type in free WordPress themes. You can find thousands of them from this page, although my advice would be to stick with a company that can be trusted, such as WordPress.org. From here you can search for a theme that's to your liking, and there would be hundreds if not thousands on this page. Once you find something that you like, simply download it. Save file. What you do here Click on this box, and I'm in the Firefox browser. Click Show All Downloads. Minimize these windows. Grab a hold of this, drag it out onto your desktop here. Now we have to go back to our WordPress dashboard to install this. From here, you go to Appearance, click on Themes. You click Add New. You can also search for many themes in this section of your website. But if you already have one you like, click Upload Theme, Browse, find the theme that you just downloaded, and Install Now. Now you can click on Live Preview if you'd like to. Let's save and activate. Let's come back to the website. Let's refresh this page. Now, something that you should know is that each and every WordPress theme has different ways they can be set up, and each theme can have many different looks. It would take more than a lifetime to do video tutorials on how to set up all WordPress themes. It would be a good idea to find one theme that you like and learn about the many different ways to set it up. You can probably tell by now that I like Genesis Framework, so that's where my focus is. Right now I'm going to show you how to install Genesis Framework and how that's going to change the look of this website again. So again, from your dashboard, Appearance, Themes. Now, one thing that you want to do is eventually delete any theme that's sitting inside of your website that you're not going to use. This is how to delete them. Mouse over, click on Theme Details, and right here, click Delete. OK. Same thing, Theme Details, Delete. OK. So just remember, delete any theme that you're not going to use. So let's add the Genesis framework. And something that you need to know is Genesis is just the nuts and bolts. It's like the frame of a car. It's the basics. And if you do happen to use a theme on Genesis framework, always install Genesis before you install the actual theme. So let's add new. Let's upload, browse, and Genesis right here. Open, install now. And let's activate this. Now go back to the site, refresh. And again, it needs a theme added and it needs to be set up. And you can see right here what you can make Genesis, the framework, look like without adding a theme to it. It's not really a very pretty website. So to add our theme, simply add new again. Upload, browse, and for now I'm going to be using the Agency Pro theme. Open it, install now. It does take a minute for these themes to install. Activate it. Back to the website and refresh. I'm not going to go into full details on how to set up the Agency Pro theme at this time. That's going to be done in another section of the tutorials. What I am going to do right now, though, is go back and recap what we just did. So this is the conclusion of Module 1 of the eBusiness Masterclass series on how to create a traffic-grabbing website. Just remember this. People prefer doing business online with people that use professional internet marketing tools. If you cheap out by refusing to spend a few bucks on your website, then your decision is going to end up costing you a lot of money down the road. Under this video on the eBusiness Masterclass website, there's a link to click that's going to take you to a showcase of all of the different themes on Genesis Framework. If using a free theme for now is a necessity, then so be it, but at least get an idea of what your new website could look like by clicking over to the Genesis Showcase. I'll see you in the next phase of your training. Right now, I better go and fix up the way my website is looking.